Hello! In this video we will go over the menus and functions of the DUOX PLUS Video Guard unit. On the main screen, you'll get a quick view of the concierge mode. You can also see the time and date, adjust the call volume, check the network status, and use the button to navigate between screens. From here, you can access the photocaller menu and the call diverts menu to receive call forwarding through the DUOX Me app. This icon will only appear if the alarm mode is activated. From the settings menu, we can configure the time and date as long as the call forwarding is not active, since the time is set automatically once paired, the tapping sound volume, melody selection, brightness, screen lock, and the installer parameters or tools. By tapping on parameters, we enter the administrator password, which by default is 4444. From here, you can change the language, edit the access codes for the guard and the administrator, select the type of concierge, either general entrance or block entrance. If block entrance has been selected, enter the block number and then enter the concierge number. In the next menu, you can either edit dwellings, panels, guard units, or relays. Lastly, you can activate a web server and access it directly by scanning the QR code or by manually connecting to the network and password shown on the screen. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time!